Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today, the focus is on a product that promises to elevate audio connections. The 2-unit, 2-foot WBC-PRO-Quad ultra-silent, ultra-flexible balanced star-quad cable from WRLDS Best CABLES. These aren't just any XLR cables. They are designed for professionals who demand the absolute best in signal integrity and build quality. Upon first inspection, one immediately notices the robust yet refined construction. The 2-foot length, provided in a pair, is incredibly practical for specific applications, such as connecting rack gear, linking effects pedals on a board, or tidying up a studio setup where longer cables would simply add unnecessary clutter. The black tweed jacket isn't just for aesthetics. It provides an extra layer of durability and a premium feel that suggests these cables are built to last through countless gigs and studio sessions. The core of what makes these cables stand out is their ultra-silent and ultra-flexible design. The Star Quad configuration is a significant engineering choice, known for its superior noise rejection. In environments prone to electromagnetic interference, this design ensures that the audio signal remains pristine, free from hums, buzzes, and other unwanted artifacts. For anyone working with sensitive microphones or critical line-level signals, this level of silence is not just a luxury, but a necessity. The channel has observed a noticeable difference in clarity when these cables are introduced into a signal chain, especially in comparison to standard XLR offerings. Complementing the internal wiring are the Nutric male and female XLR plugs. Nutric connectors are an industry benchmark, revered for their reliability, secure locking mechanisms, and excellent conductivity. The precise fit and robust construction of these plugs mean a solid connection every time, minimizing the risk of intermittent signals or accidental disconnections during a performance or recording. This attention to detail in the connectors further solidifies the professional-grade claim of these cables. The ultra-flexible aspect is another practical benefit that users will appreciate. Despite their sturdy build, these cables are remarkably pliable, allowing for easy routing in tight spaces without kinking or putting undue stress on the connectors or equipment jacks. This flexibility, combined with the short length, makes them ideal for intricate setups where cable management is paramount. In conclusion, the WBC-PRO-Quad cables from WRLDS Best CABLES live up to their name. They offer a compelling combination of advanced noise rejection, exceptional flexibility, and top-tier components, all wrapped in a durable and professional package. For audio engineers, musicians, and content creators who cannot compromise on sound quality and reliability, investing in these cables is a decision that will undoubtedly pay dividends in the clarity and integrity of their audio. They are truly a professional-grade solution for critical audio paths.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.